Hi everyone, this is a gentle, full-body Qigong routine for strength and flexibility. Find a comfortable place for you to practice and take a moment to settle in and relax your whole body. Then move your hands in and take a nice full breath in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Open your chest and the sides of the body. Breathe out. Relax and soften. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Then raise your right hand up. Breathe in and lean to the side. Breathe out as you come back to center. Repeat on the other side. Breathe in and breathe out. 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 One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Let your arms relax for a second. Then go ahead and breathe in through the side. Open and expand the entire chest. Exhale out. Arms flow down the center. Breathe in. Let your ribs expand to the side. Exhale down. Breathe in. Try to do that without creating any tension in your body. Slow, deep breath through the nose. Soft, easy exhale out through the mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Let your arms relax. And then go ahead and tap your head. This is a good way to finish your breathing sequence and eliminate any discomfort in the head. And from here, go ahead and do twist and turn. Keep your feet firm on the ground, your knees are comfortably bent. Stay grounded and connected through your lower body. Same time, relax and open your upper body. Then go ahead and guide your hands to tap across the abdomen and the lower back. Keep a good posture and nice open body. Do that for a few seconds. Then slow down and come back to center. Relax your whole body and notice how you feel. Then slowly come up on your toes, lift the shoulders up, breathe out as you relax and loosen up. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Very good. Then go ahead and slowly raise your hands through the side. Look up, turn, and gently press upwards, lengthening through your spine and the entire body. Keep your feet firm on the ground. Release the position and let your arms flow down the center. Then go ahead and repeat the movement. For this exercise, I encourage you to keep your breathing as relaxed as possible. Always inhaling, always exhaling. Release the position and let the wave of relaxation flow down your entire body. Go up, press upwards, soften down, paying attention to all the sensations inside your body. One more time. Go up, and relax down. Then go ahead and step aside wider than your shoulders. Swing your arms to the side and then pull across and squat down. Release the position. Let your arms relax as you move to the other side. Make sure your weight is evenly distributed into both feet. Keep your spine nice and long. Tailbone is pointing down. Keep your breathing slow and steady. Usually, we inhale as we open the body. Inhale as you pull across. Exhale as we release, soften, and relax. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Finish the movement, let your arms relax down, and then bring your feet together. Next is the deer movement from the 5 animal Qigong. Step forward about 45 degrees and swing your arms to the side. Release the position and come back to center. Swing your arms to the other side. Step forward. Release and come back. The breathing here is the same. Inhale as you open the body and step forward. Exhale as you come back to center and let your whole body relax. Inhale slowly. Exhale, relax. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Come back to center and let your whole body relax. Step out to the side, lengthening, open your entire body. Then soften, bringing your hands down to your lower abdomen. And place your hands on your belly and slide to the back. Keep your hands on your lower back, open the front of the body. Release and lean forward gently, keeping your back fairly straight. Go down, sliding on the back of the legs. Take a moment here to relax and lengthen through the lower back. Then slowly raise up, finishing at your lower abdomen. Then go ahead and repeat. Bring the hands down to the belly, slide to the back. Open the chest to the sky, look up, release, go forward. If your back is sensitive or you're recovering from an injury, feel free to stop at your knees or ankles. Then move your hands in and slowly raise up. We do 2 more times. Inhale as you go up. Exhale, arms flow down. Inhale as you slide to the back. Exhale as you release forward. All the way down. Then breathe in as you go up. And exhale softly as you're finished at the lower abdomen. Breathe in. Breathe out. To the back. Open the chest to the sky. Lengthen through the front section of the neck. Release the position. Lengthening through the back of the legs and your spine. Slowly come up. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Slowly circle your arms on your lower abdomen. Then move your hands to the kidneys and the lower back and massage gently, bringing your full awareness to that area and the warmth from your hands. Then relax your hands and then shake it off. This is a fantastic way to release any stagnation, to loosen the joints, to get the blood moving. Very good. Rub your hands together, shake off your legs. Tap your head one more time so you feel sharp and think clearly. Then take a nice full breath in through the nose and then guide your awareness and full attention on your body as you move your hands to the lower abdomen. Take a moment here to relax. Notice how your body feels and simply enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the rest of your day and goodbye.